Today we're going to do office makeover. Yes, I know what you're looking at is a bedroom, but we are turning this room into my dream office. Okay, we live in two-bedroom apartment and then we all sleep together, four of us. And this room is kind of, when guests come, this is the room that they sleep. I also tried to make a playroom because I don't want toys in the living room. It was not working. So you know what? No one is using this room, so I decided to turn it into my office. First, I thought I'm gonna paint this room all white because this space is very small and I wanted to do a lot of photography here. So I thought having a lot of white wall will help brighten the room. But I have a very favorite picture that I saved on Pinterest with like a aqua teal green color with like a boho mirror, and that picture, it's so my style, and I really wanted to try something like this, even though I was a little bit scared because it was kind of too bold. During the same time, Lone Fox, he's the DIY YouTuber, one of my favorite YouTuber. He posted a home makeover video using almost exactly same color, and it was a sign, and that gave me so much confidence. So I went ahead and started designing with this theme. And very first thing I did is obviously removing a lot of clutter and moving bed, and after that I gather all the papers, you know, the junk mail, and I use that to cover the parts that I don't want to be painted with masking tape. I'm using nice masking tape here because I forgot to buy blue masking tape, but I think you should just use normal cheap masking tape because this is waste of money. And after that, I got this MARQUEE, little bit high-end paint because they told me that this will guarantee one coat, so I don't have to do second coating or primer. It worked really well. As a stay-home mom, I don't have a lot of time, so this was life-saving for me. And here's me awkwardly trying to pose for nothing, and somehow it was recording as slow-mo on my phone. So yeah, anyway. As you can see, with no experience and skill, the coating was really good. I only did mostly one paint with a little bit of touch-up, so I was very happy about that. I have been collecting gold frames forever now. Most of the frames I got is $1 to $5 from either Goodwill or garage sale. There's so many times that I wanted to give up having it because it takes up so much space. But now that I have this beautiful teal color wall, I think it's a perfect time to use it. Basically, I wanted to make a huge gold gallery wall. Unfortunately, when I was collecting it, all of these, I was very inspired by like an empty frame without any glass and backing. So I threw away the glass and backing. I don't know what I was thinking. All of these doesn't have a glass and backing. I think I'm just gonna work with it. I also have this one. I got this $3 from Goodwill. I thought it's so cute, so I really want to make this piece shine. I also got this beautiful golden frame only for $3. I learned this tip from Sorry Girls YouTube channel, that before you put frame on the wall, this gold frame mirror, I cut out a paper like this, put this on the wall and move it around to see if you like the composition. Once you nail it, it's kind of hard to move around. It takes so much time. Yeah, these are the paper that I cut out. So there's a tons of frames, so it might take a while to figure out how I want this composition to be, but yeah, I'm excited. Let's get started. As you can see, the shape of the paper is not perfect, but it's totally fine. I can still get an idea. And I put these are two mirrors that I was talking about. These are the two mirrors. I I feel like mirror will be a big focal point. I want to make sure to start with mirror so that I can build up from there. I have to adjust a little bit more, like couple inches in there, but I like how everything overall looks. I only have this lighting and it's already nighttime, so hopefully the lighting is not too bad in the cell phone. Yeah, I'm gonna start putting the frame on the wall. This is only first one, but it looks so good. I don't have a power tool, so literally I'm just using this IKEA tool to make a hole. I also don't have like something that I can tell if it's straight or not. So I'll just try my best to make it straight as much as I can. But if you want to make it perfect, I think it's better to use like a straightening tool. It's halfway down. It looks pretty good. And I've been putting nail in the corner, at the back of corner and corner, but I realized that if you do that, you cannot move it around. If you leave a little bit of space, just this much, see, move around if you want to change a little bit of composition. You cannot rotate it, but you can slide it as long as it's straight. Looking so good. Okay, last two has this electric panel. What I'm thinking is, since the last two frame is very small, I'm thinking I'm just gonna use a double-sided tape. I think this will not work for bigger frame. The last two are very small and lightweight, even have a glass and backing. So I think I can do it. Hopefully this will work. This double-sided tape is literally not strong enough, but good thing I have one more double-sided tape. Try this. When we're leaving from this apartment, hopefully this won't damage the wall. If you want to try this at home, please make sure, because I don't know, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna let you know. It's kind of holding, but it's still okay, it dropped. It only lasted 5 seconds. Okay, I figured out. So instead of using this frame here, I ended up using this frame that I only put one nail right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here. Instead of two small frames, so it worked out fine. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I think it turned out really cute, and I thought I'm gonna be just putting frame and that's it. But after looking at it, I like it, but I feel like it's gonna be better if I have some artwork, and because I feel like right here and right there and right here, I feel like it's too empty. I'm a little bit nervous if I put artwork, it's gonna be too busy. That's why I don't want to put artwork in every single frame. 1, maybe 2, 3. I really want to emphasize this wall color and the color of gold. So I think all the artwork that I'm gonna be putting will be very minimal. I'm just thinking black and white or gray. As I was collecting it, I just wanted to have a gold frame. That's why I throw away all the backing and the glass and the artwork inside. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm a little bit stupid. That's why I needed to make a backing. I'm thinking I'm gonna make backing from either empty diaper box, cardboard, or the foam board that I haven't been using. Let's see. But it's getting late, it's nighttime. But tomorrow, hopefully we can finish this gallery wall. So stay tuned.